Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can post your pictures on your Reddit app. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and let's get started. So just go to your Reddit app, and once your app is open you will see this plus icon below, and then you will just tap on that icon, and then you can just simply type any text and you can just go to next, and otherwise you will have this option below, this little link icon option, photo option, and this video option. And then you can choose to add pictures. So I'll tap on this picture option, and you can choose any of the picture and tap on this add. And now you can, if you want to add text on your picture, you can choose this text icon below, or if you want to draw, or if you want to crop or like edit your picture, this is the edit page that redirects once you choose a picture. So these are the option, and once you're done with your editing you can just simply tap on the save button, and then picture will be saved. Or if you don't want to edit anything, then you can just type on this next option, tap on it, and now you can add a title. And then once you're done with your title, once you're done with the text, you can just, if you want to add more pictures, you can tap on this add button below if you want to add more pictures. Or if you don't, then you can just tap on this next option above, tap on it, and now you can choose a community. Then you will just tap on the search bar. I'll just go with, and once you type in photo, then you can choose any of the communities. So I'll just go with photography, tap on the community, and now you can just tap on this post option above, tap on that. You have to add flares if you want to post, so you will just choose one of post flare options. You can just choose any of the post flare options. Once you're done with that, you will just tap on this apply option, tap on it, and now you can post. Tap on the post, yeah, and now your post is done. So you can just tap on this view option to see your particular post that you just did, and as you can see, you have your post. So yeah, this is how you can post on your Reddit app, and I hope this video has helped you. Please do make sure to leave comments below regarding what videos you would like to see in the future, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.